guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk to you about the most in-demand freelancing skills that can help you earn money. Freelancing has become a popular way to work, especially with the rise of remote work, and having the right skills can make all the difference. So, let's get started. Skill number 1, content writing. Content writing is a highly in-demand skill, and it can be very lucrative. Many businesses and websites need quality content for their blogs, social media, and marketing materials. If you're a good writer and can create engaging content, this could be a great skill to offer as a freelancer. Skill number 2, web development. Web development is another high-demand skill. With the world becoming increasingly digital, more and more businesses need websites and web applications. If you're good at coding and have experience with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you could offer your services as a web developer. Skill number 3, graphic design. Graphic design is always in demand, as businesses need logos, marketing materials, and visuals for their websites and social media. If you're creative and have experience with Adobe Creative Suite or other design software, you could offer your services as a graphic designer. Skill number 4, social media management. Social media management is a growing field, as businesses need help managing their social media accounts. If you're social media savvy and can create engaging content, manage ads, and track analytics, this could be a great skill to offer as a freelancer. Skill number 5, video editing. Video content is becoming more popular, and businesses need help editing and producing high-quality videos for their websites and social media. If you have experience with video editing software and can create engaging content, this could be a great skill to offer as a freelancer. Conclusion. And there you have it, guys, the most in-demand freelancing skills that can help you earn money. Of course, there are many other skills out there that are in demand, but these are some of the most popular. If you have any of these skills, consider offering them as a freelancer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.